They who can give up essential liberty to obtain a little temporary safety deserves neither safety nor liberty. If a man could have half of his wishes, he would double his troubles. Certainty in this world nothing is certain but death and taxes. In wine there is wisdom, in beer there is freedom, in water there is bacteria. The way to see by faith is to shut the eye of reason. One today is worth two tomorrows. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Three can keep a secret if two of them are dead. Apology with an excuses. Well done is better than well said. I did not fail the test. I just found 100 ways to do it wrong. Admiration is the daughter of ignorance. Watch the little things. A small leak will sink a great ship. There never was a good knife made of bad steel. Justice will not be served until those who are unaffected are as outraged as those who are. Fear not death, for the sooner we die, the longer we shall be immortal. Be not sick too late, nor well too soon. Is greater blockade than an ignorant one. A man of words and not of deeds is like a garden full of weeds. Eat to live and not live to eat. A great talker may be no fool, but he is one that relies on him. Don't misinform your doctor nor your lawyer. God heals, and the doctor takes the fees. God helps them who helps themselves. The best of all medicines are rest and fasting. Thank you for watching this quotes Benjamin quotes. Do subscribe to my channel and hit like button.